Hi everyone! I've been away from YouTube, but not away completely because I've been working on my website and my shop. I've decided to go back to Etsy just because it's a little bit simpler for selling things. And so in the process, I also started creating a watercolor set, which is what this video is all about. It's a brand new set that I actually started creating for myself, but then I wound up with like 101 brushes and I thought, this is a fantastic set. I need to turn this into something that other people can get too because I just love it and I want others to have it too. So that's what this video is all about, and I hope you enjoy it, and I hope that you've been having a wonderful new year. So happy new year, and let's get to it. Though the variety and types of brushes provided by Procreate are pretty awesome, it can be difficult to remember what brush is best for what task. Plus, the library is missing some favorite effects which contribute to more realistic results, and doesn't take full advantage of Procreate's capabilities with both time-saving and effort-saving brushes. So you wind up spending valuable time you could be creating looking for third-party brush sets, which leads to another issue, especially for artists that want to sell their work. Commercial licenses cost a lot. All of which gets in the way of enjoying your digital watercolor hobby and selling your artwork. Your Digi watercolors need an upgrade, and my new set is a great option. There's a link above and in the description below. To save you time and guesswork when choosing which brush to use when, all of the brushes have been organized by suggested use, like petals and stems and leaves and floral stamps and so on. Next, the set includes brushes that produce realistic results because the look of your finished artwork matters. So in the set, you'll find brushes like the glaze brush with intense color edges, and also a cold pressed watercolor paper brush, and more. Just as important as realistic results is taking advantage of digital tech to help you enjoy your painting experiences. The set does this with a mixture of time saver and effort saver brushes like the distant forest, grass, bush, and flower patch brushes. And there's some fun takes on old standards too, like the petal, leaf, and stem brushes that are a mixture of round, oval, mop, and fan brushes from the traditional watercolor world. Yet, the set invites you to relax, pass the time, and escape to a place of your own too, with brushes for savoring certain traditional tasks, like painting and blending, or like painting clouds. Seriously, I could paint clouds all day long. Several brushes in the set are pressure sensitive when used with an Apple Pencil, giving you creative control over things like brush tip size, color intensity, and watercolor bleed beyond the brush edge, while you actively paint. This is highly useful when painting objects like trees. In addition, the set comes with a +1 commercial license, allowing you to share the set with one other person and make and sell your own art. Just check out the terms. They're really awesome. So, are you ready to upgrade your digital watercolor experience? If so, I think you'll love Joyful Flora, and if you do make a purchase from me, thanks so much in advance. And here's another video I think you'll enjoy as well. Meanwhile, I hope your day is amazing.